Welcome to Wolf GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. White frost tri-coat paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, power sunroof, lane departure warning, wireless charging, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You've got that jet black finish on the door panel with your power locks, power windows, and power mirrors, as well as memory settings for the driver's seat and mirrors. Black leather seats, power controls on the side. Just inside the panel, next to the steering wheel, you're going to have your electronic parking brake, as well as several different driving modes and some interior and exterior lighting controls. Just above that, you're going to find your heads-up display. This will change where the display is shown as well as the brightness for it. Stepping inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side, you have your controls for the cruise control, your forward collision alert, and your heated steering wheel. The Denali emblem right in the middle of the steering wheel. Right-hand side has your voice recognition and directional controls to control the driver information screen. This can be anything from your speedometer to the music you're listening to, navigation, phone settings if you're connected via Bluetooth, as well as some options to customize the display itself and the information shown. The entertainment center, this is where you're going to find your audio. This will have FM, AM, Sirius XM radio, as well as your navigation, phone settings if you're connected. Several different cameras that you can look through, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Dual zone climate control, this is where you're going to find fan speed, temperature gauge, ventilated seats, heated seats. Those are all going to be here. Just below it, you're going to find your lane departure warning, parking sensors, and power lift gate, as well as some other options here. Storage compartment, there's actually a couple storage compartments along the center console. Dual cup holder on the right hand side. Trailer brake controller is near the back, close to the wireless charging pad, which sits underneath at the front of the center console. The center console also has a dual cup holder at the back for your rear passengers. Go ahead and open that up. Storage compartment on top, a little bucket storage. That's removable. Extra storage underneath, as well as an LED lamp so you can see easier at night or in the dark. USB and Type USB-C outlets here. 3-prong outlet on that side, as well as easier access to your wireless charging pad, which is right in the middle there. Looking up top, you have your rear view mirror with full camera display. Above that, you're going to find some interior lighting controls, as well as some 3 preset garage door openers, the power controls for your rear sliding window, as well as the power sunroof. Next, we're going to go ahead and take a look at that exterior. You have this white frost tri-coat paint with your chrome grille around the red GMC nameplate. Chrome accent along the bottom with your front recovery hooks. LED headlamps. Black accent around the wheel well. Aluminum wheels. Chrome assist step along the bottom all the way to the back door. Chrome nameplate. Chrome mirror cap with integrated turn signal, as well as your blind spot indicator at the front. Chrome door handles with keyless entry. As we take a look further back, you're going to have that assist step into the bed of the truck. Makes it super easy if you need to reach from something from the side of the vehicle. The corner step rear bumper makes it super easy to get into the back of the truck. Red GMC emblem with your chrome nameplate just below it. The chrome Sierra emblem just below. The GMC Multi-Pro tailgate. You can open up the entire tailgate. Gives you access to the bed of the truck. You have several different cargo tie-down locations, as well as onboard power on the right-hand side and LED lamps to see easier in the dark. The assist step folds down. This gives you access to the bed of the truck even easier with the assist step there, and of course it folds away nicely when it's all done. Finally, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear of the vehicle. You've got that same jet black finish on the door panel, storage compartment along the bottom with your cup holder next to the speaker, magazine holders on the back of the driver's seat and the passenger seat. You have the same black leather seating with in-seat storage. Open that up, gives you access there. This pulls down, giving you access to 2 more cup holders for your rear passengers, in addition to the 2 at the back of the center console. The seat lifts up. This gives you access to the under-seat storage, plenty of room underneath. And on the back of the center console, you're going to have your rear heated seats in the center at the top there, as well as a USB and USB Type-C outlet next to your HVAC vents. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this one, and we hope to see you in the future.